Okay guys, so we got the old fan, which is a new fan. It's too bad. Got it removed, and we're probably just going to junk that and use it for parts, because even on it's amazing that they make a fan that would fade, the plastic would fade so quickly. It just drives me nuts. This is an expensive fan. For it to do this, kind of a joke in my opinion. But you know, I'm not a big factory, I'm not a big company, I don't know. Big problem here was that we didn't have enough lining in here as well. So this should have had a big lining going around it of this butyl tape type stuff. And we're gonna get that tape, go around there, and then we'll have a much better fit. You can see the edge right there. Look at that crack right there. This one's cracked too. Look at it. Done. 4 out of 4 edges cracked. So that gives you an idea of what you're dealing with fantastic fans being made out of plastic. We got to come back in here. We got to get all this off. We'll use a scraper up here, and then we'll also use some kind of a chemical to get it back down to the metal. We'll rough up the metal, put on the butyl tape, or we'll find out what kind of tape it is and I'll let you know. And then we'll reassemble. You know, this is a full Monty build right here that we have. It's the Airstream Safari 23, 1970. And so we're used to this kind of work. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll get to the next part. When we get to the next part, I'm gonna have to go to the store now, buy another fan. Don't forget your lollipop. Maybe have to get some more of those too. Thanks for watching.